Hey viewers, welcome to Tools Advisor. In this video we're going to check out 5 best portable air compressor for truck tires you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, manufacturer's reputation, value for money and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best portable truck tire air compressor. For more information and updated price, please do check the product link in the description box below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome guide like this. So, without any delay let's get started. Our number 1 pick is Viair 00088888P. This portable air compressor will be perfect for inflating your truck tires. This is because it has a max SI of 120, so it will be able to inflate them at a very quick rate, no matter how large the tire is. It's actually suitable for truck tires that are up to 33 inches, so check the size of your tires before you purchase this product. It has an LED power indicator, a 10-feet power cord, a 16-feet air hose, and a 3-piece inflation tip kit. Therefore, even if the tire that needs air is the furthest one away, it will still be able to reach it. Our second best portable air compressor for truck tires is Viair 4047400 PRV. It has a max SI of 150, and you will be able to use it directly from your truck because the truck battery can power it. It also includes a tire inflation gun, a gauge, a build and pressure switch, an air hose, RV accessories, and a carry case. Therefore, you really don't have to spend any more money as you already have everything you need. It weighs 0.16 ounces, so it's not even that heavy if you have to carry it around with you. Let's watch more.
The 400P RV automatic portable compressor from Viair is the perfect tool for inflating RV tires. Featuring a vibration-resistant diamond plate sand tray, heat-shielded quick connect coupling, and an 8-foot power cord, this unit can inflate tires up to 150 psi, well above the required pressure for an RV tire. It also includes a tire inflation gun, dual battery clamps, a 3-piece inflation tip kit, a heavy-duty deluxe carry bag, and 2 coil hoses for up to 60 feet of reach. Remove the orange rubber plug and screw in the air filter to prevent dust and moisture from entering the system. Pop open the hood and connect the dual battery clamps to the battery. Always remember, red to red and black to black. Once connected, make sure to start the engine to provide the required voltage. Pull back the sleeve of the quick connect coupler on the primary hose and attach it firmly to the quick connect stud on the compressor. Connect the other end of the primary hose to the male end of the tire inflation gun. Next, connect the 90-degree twist-on chuck to the female end of the tire inflation gun. Remove the valve stem cap, attach the twist-on chuck to the tire valve stem, and secure it by tightening. Power on the compressor by pushing the on switch on the front of the compressor. Squeeze the trigger of the inflation gun to inflate the tire. To get an accurate pressure reading, simply release the trigger of the inflation gun. When the pressure gauge indicates the desired pressure, remove the twist-on chuck from the tire valve stem. To reach the back tires, you may need to use the extension hose included. To do so, pull back the sleeve on the quick connect coupler of the primary hose and connect it to the male end of the extension hose. Then, reconnect the extension hose to the tire inflation gun. If your RV has dual rear tires, you can use the 45-degree push-pull chuck included. Viair's 400P RV automatic portable compressor makes tire inflation easy and affordable to help ensure your RV is in optimal running condition.
Number 3 in our list is GSPSCN heavy-duty truck air compressor. If you want a portable air compressor that is going to be able to inflate your truck tires at a very fast rate, then this compressor has been made for you. Its max pressure is 150 psi, and it can inflate a regular tire in under a minute and a half. It also comes with stability technology, as it has rubber feet on the bottom of the compressor, so it will stay in place when it's in use. It has special technology to reduce the noise and vibrations from the compressor when it's in use. It has double cylinders in the direct drive of the motor, which give the compressor a very high impact. Our fourth pick is Jayco Smart Pro 2.0. This portable air compressor is perfect for your truck tires, and it will assist you when you're pumping them up. This is because it comes with an automatic shut-off, so as soon as the max level is reached on the tire, it will stop filling it up with air. It has a digital LCD display so you can see all of the settings, even if you have to use it at night. It has a SI rate between 0 to 100, so you won't have to wait for ages to get your tire filled with air. It also has a flashlight on the front of it for your own safety. Let's watch more about this product.
Introducing the Jayco Smart Pro 2.0 AC/DC digital tire inflator. It's perfect for inflating car, truck, and SUV tires, and includes accessory nozzles for sports balls and other inflatables, featuring an easy-to-read blue backlit LCD screen, flashlight and emergency SOS signal, and smart pressure automatic shutoff technology that lets you pre-select your target pressure for easy and accurate inflating every time. To start inflating, simply select your power supply source, AC for home wall sockets, or DC when using the built-in adapter with your car accessory port. To select the unit of pressure, press the M button to switch between PSI, bar, and KPA. To set the preset shutoff pressure, press and hold either the plus or minus button for 3 seconds. Then adjust up or down using the plus and minus keys. After a few seconds, the setting will be saved. Remove the built-in hose from the bottom of the air compressor. Then remove your tire valve stem cap. Attach the twist-on chuck to the valve stem and secure by tightening. Power on the unit by pressing the on switch on top of the handle. When the tire reaches the preset value, the inflator will automatically shut off and stop pumping air. The bleeder valve behind the nozzle can be used to release excess air from overinflation with a simple press. Remove the twist-on chuck from the tire valve stem and replace the valve stem cap. The power cord and air hose can be conveniently wrapped and stowed neatly in the bottom of the inflator. Jayco Superior Products SmartPro 2.0 AC/DC Digital Tire Inflator makes tire inflation easy and portable to ensure your inflating needs are met wherever you go.
Last in our list is Kensun Portable Air Compressor. This portable air compressor is perfect if you have to regularly move trucks, as it comes with a handle, so you can very easily transport it with you anywhere. It has both AC and DC power cords, and it comes with everything you need, so you don't have to purchase any extras at all. It has a maximum pressure range of 120 psi, and it can be easily run from your truck itself. It has storage compartments to pack away all of the wires, so nothing will get in your way. Plus, it's very lightweight, so you won't have any trouble carrying it around at all.